We're doing bamboo. We're outside, and it's like a swamp out here for some reason. Look at this. That's not as bad as you think. But once you start walking over here, you see this. Yeah, you have to walk through it like this. Then you come to here. This is that book. I haven't even looked at the garden yet. Oh my goodness. It's not that bad, right? Look at their cage. Disgusting. Yeah.